Hello, and thanks for joining us for a quick introduction to the new quarterly technical review format. Based on feedback we've received from project teams and QTR participants, we've made some changes to the content and structure of these sessions to provide a better balance between high-level and deep technical information. In this video, we'll walk you through each of the key components of the new QTR. Ultimately, this new format will promote critical thinking, engagement, and technology validation opportunities for the project team, the QTR participants, and our overall membership base. The project overview slide should serve as a high-level overview for people new to this project. This summary should be contained to 1 or 2 slides. What is the thesis or focus driving your research? It is important to touch on the key deliverables and describe any future plans for development following this project period. This use case scenario slide will help us crystallize the research effort in terms of the actual people within a given organization that will interact with this technology. It's important to note the distinction between the 2 use case timeframes. The DMDII use case addresses the result at the end of the contractual period of performance, whereas the commercialized or end user use case extrapolates the result to its productized technology readiness level. In the progress review section, you'll unpack your progress against each technical milestone and deliverable. To increase this section's impact on your audience, consider what technical details are crucial for a thorough understanding and what can be summarized or generalized. It's okay to switch off between different presenters, but we want each presenter to clearly tie their slides and technical progress back to the original goal of the research. This section is the time to include a demo, if possible. In this section, you'll briefly reflect on the overall research effort thus far. What has gone well with respect to your initial understanding of the problem space? Are you encountering new information that is causing you to rethink the scope of the project? What sort of feedback have you received from industry partners? Given the long timeline of these projects, we want to emphasize the importance of tying all progress back to the problem we have originally set out to solve. Above all else, DMDII is driven by collaboration. Please take a moment to consider the ways in which you are utilizing our network of over 300 SMEs, OEMs, solution providers, and research universities. Are there any opportunities for engagement? Can we look to an industry partner to further validate the technology being developed? This is an opportunity to foster true value-driven collaboration. These 2 slides are to be completed as backup information on the project, and discussion of the slides is not needed during the presentation. These provide a useful overview for people who are new to the project research. The use case template is not a new request, and you can use your existing slide if you have filled it out previously. The quarterly technical review is a key driver of success for all of our projects. Thanks in advance for your willingness to help make these sessions even more impactful.